Mobil crane.
This truck has big legs that can lift up and a long arm that moves high into the sky. The mobile crane is used to lift heavy things like construction materials or big equipment. So, the next time you see a building going up, it might be the mobile crane helping to lift everything.
Car carrier.
Ever seen a truck carrying a bunch of brand new cars? That's a car carrier. This truck can carry several cars at once to dealerships all over the city. Imagine how many cars can get delivered all in one go without driving them one by one.
Fire truck ladder.
This is the truck with a huge ladder that can go up really high. The fire truck ladder helps firefighters fight fires in tall buildings and rescue people from high floors. This truck is super important for keeping everyone safe.
Double trailer truck.
A double trailer truck is a truck that can carry two trailers at the same time. This allows the truck to carry even more stuff in one trip. These trucks are strong and big, and they help transport tons of goods on highways.
Logging truck.
Have you ever seen a truck carrying long logs of wood? That's a logging truck. This truck is used to carry logs from the forest to sawmills where they're turned into wood for building things. It's a strong truck that can handle heavy loads and keep the logs safe with strong ropes.
Livestock truck.
If you've ever seen a truck carrying cows, sheep, or horses, that's a livestock truck. This truck is built to safely carry animals from farms to markets or other places they need to go. It's like a big, safe ride for our furry friends.
Trailer dumped truck.
This truck has a trailer that can tilt to dump out heavy stuff like sand, dirt, or gravel. The trailer dump truck is super useful for building roads, making playgrounds, or adding dirt to gardens. It's like a giant shovel on wheels.
Tanker truck.
A tanker truck is a big truck that carries liquids, like gasoline or water. This truck can carry lots of liquid in a huge tank on the back. It helps deliver water to places that need it or fuel to gas stations where we fill up our cars.
Logistics truck.
A logistics truck is the truck that helps carry goods from one place to another. It's used to deliver big shipments to stores or companies. These trucks are so important because they get our favorite things to us quickly and safely.
Garbage truck.
You definitely know the garbage truck. This truck picks up trash from our homes and takes it to the dump. It has a big arm that can pick up the trash cans and lift them into the truck. Without the garbage truck, our streets would get messy.
Mixer trucks.
Have you ever seen a truck with a huge drum spinning around? That's a mixer truck. This truck carries wet concrete to construction sites. The spinning drum keeps the concrete smooth and ready to use when it gets to the job site.
Pickup trucks.
A pickup truck is a small and very practical truck. It can be used to carry things like vegetables from the garden or for going camping. The open bed makes it easy to load your things, and this truck is perfect for all kinds of needs.
Haul trucks.
A haul truck is an enormous and powerful truck used to carry super heavy stuff. These trucks are often used in mines or places where they need to move tons of material like coal or rocks. They're so strong, they can carry huge loads.
Railcar transport truck.
If you've ever seen a truck carrying parts of a train, that's a railcar transport truck. This truck transports train cars from factories to railroads. It has a big, heavy-duty trailer that can carry long and heavy train pieces.